Tech is ready. Currency is ready. Now the question is simple. How do we trade tokenized real estate? First, the property owner, called the issuer, submits documents, title deeds, appraisal reports, and legal opinions. The community reviews authenticity and compliance before anything moves forward. Once approved, the files go to IPFS, a distributed file network shared across many computers. Then the system creates a hash, a unique fingerprint of those files, and records it on the blockchain, a shared digital record book. That record becomes immutable. In plain English, nobody can secretly change the documents later without changing the fingerprint. Next comes tokenization. The issuer chooses a token name and symbol, then creates a property token contract using the ERC 3643 standard. A smart contract is simply code that runs automatically. Now the property exists as programmable digital ownership units. With minting complete, the project enters the primary market, the first sale. The offering price is based on property valuation and total token supply. Investors subscribe using BC, a stablecoin designed to stay equal to $1. The BC funds move into the project treasury, and part of that liquidity supports future trading. If tokens remain unsold, they move into the secondary market, where investors trade with each other. Trading happens through an order book, a live list of buy and sell offers at different prices. Users place buy orders or sell orders, and a matching engine automatically pairs compatible prices. When prices match, the trade executes instantly. Wallet balances update, ownership transfers, and the transaction history stays public and transparent on-chain. Then comes income distribution. The issuer deposits rent income in BC. The smart contract checks each holder's ownership percentage, calculates shares automatically, and distributes earnings directly to wallets. Minting, trading, distribution. Fully automated. No agents, no custodians, and no manual bookkeeping. Next episode, governance and tokenomics.